Welcome, dear students, to another class of our English. Today we will start the topic conversion. Again, transformation will continue. The class in this we will do assertive into exclamatory and vice versa. Means we can convert assertive to also exclamatory and vice versa, means we will do the changes accordingly. So taken into consideration this, we will see that in this conversion what we will do. Exclamatory sentence, as you know, having an exclamation mark. So here the exclamation mark is given. Well done is one of the question that we have to transform. So well done you have to convert into assertive. So exclamatory sentence well done, when it's said it was very well done. Well done. If you say somebody in an assertive sentence, it will be that emotion that we show in this exclamation mark. To remove that, for that we will make the sentence as it was very well done. It implies that, right? So that transformation of exclamatory into assertive. And the second sentence, how well he paints. He paints very well. It implies that how well he paints. He paints very well. So this way, this sentence suppose is given to you in assertive form, then you can use this again into an interrogative. That is why the vice versa I've given. So not necessarily that we have all the time to convert the exclamation into assertive. The reverse also can be done, and that type of question can also be asked, wherein in the transformation question you will be asked either a exclamatory sentence is given, so it will be asked written over here, convert into we'll say assertive. So you convert into assertive. Okay, assertive, like this it will be written in a bracket, or vice versa. Means assertive is given, it will be written convert into exclamatory. Okay, this type of sentence can be given to you, so you should be careful. That's why vice versa over here. Okay, vice versa means the sentence. Okay, that can be either way. How I wish I could play a piano. You are having a wish to play a piano. So here we will do the transformation like, I really wish I could play a piano. I really wish. So your wish is real over here. And that feeling of that in the exclamatory sentence you have shown over here, that will be your sentence which will be in the assertive conversion, right? Like another emotional sentence, like alas, he could not see his mother before she died. No, I said sorry. So here you can see the answer. It is very sad that he could not see his mother before she died. So this feeling of sudden expression of emotion can be converted into assertive form by writing this way. What a stupid excuse. Stupid excuse is there. So that type of sudden emotion can be converted into assertive. The excuse is really stupid. Really stupid is also equivalent to the emotion that is being shown in the exclamatory sentence. The excuse is really stupid. Okay, so that way you have to use your common sense in writing the exclamatory sentence. As you know, always shows emotions. That can be emotions of euphoria or very happy nature of yours. You want to express some winning theme is there, then you use a different type of emotion. The sad scene, this theme is there, like the we have seen in the fourth sentence. So that also is an emotion that is a sad one, that can also be converted to assertive. But equivalent words have to be used to, in transformation, as I told you, the meaning has not to change. So we will see further, old age is very painful. Now vice versa. So now we will, but assertive is there, and we to change into exclamatory. How painful old age is. How painful old age is. So the verb we are taking at the last. Do you see this? To show the emotion emotional, what we want to let out the emotion, that how painful old age is. So is we have to take the helping verb, and the verb has to be taken away. Old age is very painful. How painful old age is. That way you can convert. So we have seen that earlier sentences wherein the assertive was converted from the exclamatory. Here the same thing is there. We have seen earlier the same type of sentences can be, here in the other way. I wish I had not bought this dress. How I wish I had not bought this dress. Then exclamation. How I wish. How I wish. That type of, you can use according to your, understanding of how the emotion is let out in the question. You can use how I wish I could. Generally, when this type of sentence, how is generally used. See how we have used earlier also. You have indeed grown very tall. How tall you have grown. The verb, see, as we are done in is, that way at the end, here also the grown verb is taken at the end. You have indeed grown very tall. How tall you have grown. So have grown, the verb with the helping, you have to take at the last. Okay. These flowers are very beautiful. How beautiful these flowers are. Okay, this sentence structure. How, and always the end will be the, this are, is, and other verbs, which are verbs or other particles of the question sentence. This book is very interesting book. What an interesting. So when a book is there, what an interesting book this is. This and is we will take at the end. This is to show emotion. What an interesting book this is. Okay. It is indeed very sad that they lost all their belongings. This is a sad situation. Sad itself is there. So alas, and this type of sentence, use alas, they have lost all their belongings. So all the belongings are lost by them. So further we will see the sentences of this type, but you have to keep in mind the sentences wherein we have done so far in this normal conversion, which we have to do as to do exclamatory and vice versa. So that and other sentences of the higher order we will do in the next coming session of our grammar class. Thank you till then.